how to make a public profile on Snapchat if it doesn't show. So what you're gonna do is, first of all, you're gonna need to click at the top left. Next step, you will see right here, this is my public profile. If you didn't see it or it didn't show up, you will go ahead to your settings at the top right, and you will go to your birthday. You will only get to change your birthday, month, and day. You can't change the year. If you are under 18 years old, you will need to create a new account. Hence, you will be able to see your public profile. But if you are over 18 and this method didn't work out for you, what you're gonna do is you're gonna just go back and you're gonna scroll down a little bit until you find I need help. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead right here, and after you saw the support page, what you're gonna do is you're gonna search for public profile. Okay, and after you saw the search results, you will click on who is eligible for public profile, and please read this article thoroughly to be able to create your or see your public profile. Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.